What's up, YouTube? Tina's again. About to go ahead and mount the truck up, man. Go ahead and put some rims on it. I know it's been a while since I've been back out here, man, but I sold that van. I ended up selling the van. I got something else. I got something else for y'all that I'm gonna be working on. I got a bus now. I don't know if I'm gonna do a party bus or just, I don't know. But I'm gonna get back with y'all. All right, I'm gonna put the rims on the back of the truck. Let me show you what I got. I'm going with 24-inch SRT wheels. 24-inch SRT. I'm gonna try to go find me some Haidas. I think they're gonna call Haida Mud Champs. Mud Champ tires. Yep. I'll let y'all see how they're looking once I get to the rim stuff. What the truck look like, man. "24-inch RT replicas with the Haida tires, 24s. All right. Oh, shit. What's up, y'all? It's Tina's again. I'm gonna show you this van this bus I'm talking about doing. I got a whole goddamn party bus out this thing. We're putting a little chrome hood cap on there right now.
Look at Ray on the phone.
Now I was showing something. I'm on my YouTube
What's
thing.
wrong with
Oh man, I'm finna grab. Yeah, I'm gonna do some wonders with this thing. Look, man, every time I try to do something, by the time I put some wheels on there, man, everybody want to buy it. So I end up selling the white van. Now I got this bus. See what I'm gonna do with it. Got my pops here putting the chain to oil right quick. I'm gonna get you a funnel right fast.
What on that, Jay? You know what you're doing, Jay.
Got my son trying to do some work. Alright. I'll get back with y'all show. There you go. So, trying to put the wheels on there. Got the 24 inches with the Haida tires. I think that was 33 by 12 by 10, I think. That's how she sit right now. Gotta fix that little scratch, man. My wife scratched my truck up by accident, though. I ain't tripping. Yeah, I'm gonna get it together, though. She won't let me put no wheels on this thing. She want her car factory. That's it. sir. I got some more mods for us soon. I'll let you later.